Pictory tutorial and review. Hey, what's up everybody? This is Adam with DIY Agency, and today we're going to do a quick tutorial on how to use Pictory and just simply review the software and the results and everything like that. So the first thing you're going to do is want to try and get a free trial. It's about a 2-week free trial, and if you decide that you want to stay with it, I'm going to provide a promo code below, which is DIYA20, which will get you 20% off lifetime in the event that you choose to use it. But what I do want you to do is get a free trial, and that way you can follow along. So once you're in and you're set up, they're gonna really take all the restrictions off and allow you to kind of do whatever you want to do. But once you're in the back end, the best thing to do for me is the scripted video process. I absolutely love this. It's so simple and easy. I love using free tools whenever possible to create content that I'll promote on my YouTube channel, blogs, or wherever. So obviously with that, there's a great great tool out there. OpenAI has their chat GPT tool, and one of the scripts that I like to use is a video script creator that I customized. It's a prompt, but basically what we're going to look for is a script to create a video with. Obviously something that's really important right now for a lot of people is going to be how to get started with affiliate marketing. So I'm literally just going to type in how to get started with affiliate marketing. And then it's going to create a, basically what I've set it up to do is create kind of a book, but really what we're going to do is create this into a video, and I'm going to showcase how we take this script once it's completed and turn it into a Pictory video. And so I'm going to let that run in the background, but while we do that, we're going to talk about some of the things that we want to use this for. So scripted video is real simple. It's recommended for educational videos, listicle videos, coaching videos, step-by-step guides. Kind of like this is a step-by-step guide, but what I want to do is just be able to simply enter in a script and let it match up with video blocks, content that it thinks is relevant and appropriate to the script that I put in it. Now, this is not perfect by any stretch of the imagination, but it does a pretty good job, and it's a heck of a start. If you choose, you can also use an article to video where you literally just copy in and paste a URL, and it'll pull out information from there. In fairness, I'm not a big fan of this because I don't know that it always pulls in the relevant content that I want it to pull in. So I prefer to load it with information rather than hope that it extracts the right information for what I'm looking to do. You can also edit videos and do visuals to video. All these things are set, recommended, examples like blogs, press releases, and any HTML article. They'll give you an example, and most importantly, they'll give you a tutorial below as well, each one of these. So if you're not happy with the tutorial I'm providing, Pictory itself will provide a tutorial that you can watch. So we're going to just hit continue because that was not done yet. So what we like to do is we're literally just going to hit the proceed button, and what it's going to ask me to do is enter in a video name, and it's going to ask me to start typing here or paste my script. So you can either go ahead and start typing in, or you can paste from the script that you're going to get from OpenAI, which is what I'm going to do. It does have a spell checker, and one of the things up here that you're going to note is it offers for an auto highlight keywords and auto visual selection, which means it's going to automatically select the visuals. And something important to know is it creates new scenes. So when we get beyond to the next part, it'll create a number of different scenes of video blocks. They can either be created on sentence breaks in here, or it can be on line breaks. The difference between whether it's a paragraph, it would put one for each sentence, or at the end of the paragraph, once I hit enter and create that line break, whether or not it would do that. I prefer to use the line breaks, but it's dealer's choice. You do whatever you think is best for your writing style. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and copy this information. So note that it says book title, disregard that. So what I'm going to do is just simply, pull out information right here. Note that there is continue writing please and everything there that you might want to avoid. And you know what? I'm going to just take the whole thing right from the top, and that way we can make it a little bit more simple. And so when we paste in, obviously we're going to have some things that we need to remove. And again, this is really where you want to kind of figure out what you want to do as far as the title. So I'm literally just going to take the title for the video name, and whether or not we want to use chapters, it's got the chapter 1, chapter 2, and chapter 3. Again, this will, based on that, be line breaks. So they'll actually create a different scene for each one of these. So I wanted to show you that just so you have an understanding of how it works. And again, that would be a different line break. So what I'm going to do is just simply start at introduction. And we'll have a line break there. It's going to be obvious, a line break there. I'm going to leave this all here, chapter 2. We're going to leave that there. So just understand that right now all I'm doing is a very quick editing of the script that was provided. And again, you can do whatever you want to do. You can spend a lot more time if you choose to on how you want to lay this out. But I just want to kind of showcase that we've got about 6,000 characters. It's doing a spell check. And if we want to highlight keywords like affiliate marketing, you'll see that it does that there. From there, what you'll see is affiliate marketing right there. And we'll do affiliate products as well. You'll see them highlighted in the video in a moment. So it is all set, and once we're ready, we can either go ahead and cancel or we can proceed. Obviously, I'm going to proceed. All right, so from here, you're going to be able to select a number of different templates, and what they're really focusing on is the subtitles, what kind of look and feel you want for the subtitles, whether they want to slide in or if they're just going to be there constantly, all these different things. You get to do a lot of different choices, so this one looks pretty decent and clean, so I'm just going to go ahead and select that. And then you're going to choose your aspect ratio, which is going to be either, again, for a landscape, portrait, or a square, depending on what you're looking to do as far as your creation and what the output needs to be if you're putting on social media or what have you. And so this part usually does take a little bit of time. It's going to analyze the video and it's going to just create the scenes. Now again, understand that it's not going to be perfect. It's just going to do its best. It is an automated process, and it's an AI bot basically putting these scenes together. So just understand that ahead of time. It's not going to be perfect. And we're almost done here. All right, so the scenes are going to be laid out on the bottom, and they're going to be associated with scene 1, 2, 3, and what you'll see is the scripts are automatically placed in and listed below. So it's all going to be listed in there. Now, if I want to edit, kind of how the actual text is laid out, I'm just literally double clicking on that, and it takes me up to here, so I can choose kind of what file form, or I'm sorry, what text font I want to use, the size, if I want to shrink it, and I can save this as a style, or I can apply it to all the different scenes that it created. So I'm going to just shrink it down to 18 and apply to all. And so now that just adjusted it for every single one of these. And again, what we're seeing is that the scene duration here is 28 seconds. On this one is 25.5 seconds, and it's just creating a screen in the background that will look, and they'll remove the story blocks here, but you'll definitely have this video in the background. And so really what we're doing is just looking to see if they feel right. So as you notice, they highlighted some things relevant to affiliate marketing. So it's a matter of whether or not you like and enjoy the resulting videos. This one doesn't really fit for me, so I'm going to try and remove this. And so the way that we're going to remove this is over here on the left hand side. What we have is visuals, we have elements, these tips. For this, elements are going to be your stickers, your GIFs, your emojis that we can pump in there wherever we want. Again, visuals are just going to be kind of any kind of video that you want it to be. And the cool thing is you can do images and videos, and you can do it by category, or you can just simply type in affiliate marketing, and it will search by keyword and come up with something, pretty relevant. So we already saw that one. Not all of these are going to be perfect, but we do want to get an idea of what the scene duration is. So this is currently at 28 seconds because we have a decent amount of text. So I don't want to put in a 7-second, one there. So we're going to be looking for something that's going to be a little bit longer. This one's 20 seconds, 8 seconds. And again, it's just trying to find the right fit whenever possible for the video. And we'll use this one, why not? Just use it as a demonstration. So all you do is click on it and it enters in. And again, the elements, as mentioned, are going to be your stickers, your GIFs. Your audio is going to be any kind of background music that you want. If you want to do a voiceover, I'm going to actually do a voiceover in a moment that I'll share with you so you can see it. If you want to change any kind of text or add a heading, I can simply just add a heading right there, and it'll obviously place it in. So whatever you want to do, it's all there, heading, body text. Styles are again going to give you different layouts and the like. I already selected a caption subtitle style, and I'm going to stick with that. But if you wanted to change something, that would be the place to do it. And you have a styles library, your styles, and then and the like. And then overall branding, if you want to enter in an intro scene to your video, which currently is being hidden. If I want to unhide that and do something, you can add in your logo. You can create something that's consistent with your scene. And just the same with the outro. So they give you options for videos or visuals, for logos or text and the like. So you can do all those different things. And then again, you can change the format of the video if you choose to. So going back to the overall story, which is at the top, we're pretty happy so far with the results of the things we've seen. And again, it's just going to be matched up pretty simple and easy stuff. And so if you're happy with the results, we can go ahead and generate. But what I want to do before we get in there is I like to make sure there's some kind of audio associated with it. So you can either upload a voiceover, you can record your own voiceover, or you can go into the audio and you can apply a voiceover from the many different choices that they have here. So I'm just going to go ahead and apply Ava, the female. And then I'm going to make sure that, again, that voiceover, going into it, settings, we're going to go ahead and see voiceover and apply to all. Just needs to check that. And now that voiceover is going to be on every single one of those videos. So if you're happy with the results at that point, again, you can have different voiceovers for different scenes. So if you want to do a his and hers or anything like that, totally, we got 22 different scenes. It looks like it's going to be about an 8-minute video. So real quick, I just want to walk through kind of the pricing differences, and this is important to where we were just a second ago in the video. There's a standard, a premium, and an enterprise. The standard is $20 a month, and it gives you 30 videos per month, and it gives you a text-to-video project of up to 10 minutes. So that's important to understand based on your estimated video duration. If it's over 10 minutes, it is going to pull that information and say, hey, you can't go over 10 minutes, so cut it down. The premium gives you 60 videos per month and allows up to 20 minutes in length. And then there's the enterprise, which is pretty customized. Reach out to Pictory if you're interested, but it's going to be a pretty monster opportunity to give you tons of different capabilities. So when you get a chance, go through the pricing and see if it is right for you. They have monthly and annual pricing. Standard is pretty decent. Again, $20 per month, 30 videos per month at 10 minutes of video. Does a pretty decent job for me, but your mileage may vary. So whatever's comfortable for you, I definitely recommend you check it out. And if you're going to do the free trial, might as well try it on the 60 videos per month and do the 20-minute video option if you want. So back to the creation of the video. So now that you're happy, you can preview it if you want. And so it does take a moment to preview the video. This will actually just preview that one scene.
Ultimately, the key to promoting your affiliate offers effectively is to focus on providing.
And I'm not going to, I'm going to stop the preview. But as you can see, they applied a voiceover to it, and so we're pretty happy with the results. So this is the most time-consuming piece. We're actually going to just generate and it's going to create the scenes and it's going to generate the video. It's 2:54 on my clock now, so I'll come back when it's done and you can note the time. I'll highlight it again just to get an idea of how long it took. All right, so we're back. It is 3:01, so it took about 7 minutes to go through the whole process of creating the scenes, generating the video. Now it gives me the option to either export the text, download to my PC, and or copy the link if I was looking to create a shareable link. I'm obviously going to download. And so there it is. It's a simple and easy process to, the tutorial process is simple. It's just go in there, create with a script on that main page. So we'll get out of this and go back to Pictories. So we're going to go ahead and just create a script. You can use chat tools, ChatGPT tools, or you can go ahead and create your own script. There's a number of different things like Jasper out there that can write for you, or you can use this. And then really you're just going to go to Pictory AI and you're going to use a scripted video to create your video content, and then you'll be able to upload it directly to whatever device or platform you want to use. I'm just going to show you the video real quick.
Introduction. Affiliate marketing is one of the most popular and lucrative ways to make money online. It involves promoting other people's products or services and earning a commission on every sale.
So I don't know that you can hear that in the background, but the voiceover is fine. It reads at a decent pace, which you can speed up, by the way. And so overall, it just creates a lot of different content available, without you having to do much work. And at the end of the day, that's what I'm always looking for, is something to create content that doesn't take a lot of time or effort. As you saw, we did this, pretty rapidly. There were some cuts that you'll see here, but for the most part, I think this whole process took me about 20 minutes. So, start to finish, I'll post this up on one of my YouTube channels, and 20 minutes of work. I'm sure I'll get a lot of views from it, just because of the capabilities of the keyword to generate views on YouTube, and that's really all there is to it. So, if you have any questions on how Pictory works, I hope this demonstration and review has been pretty satisfying for you. But if you do have any questions, or you'd like to see me do something else with Pictory, leave a comment below, and I'll be happy to create a video that's appropriately focused on what you would like to see. And as always, if you do like the videos that I'm creating, hit that like button or hit subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video. Thanks.